it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be doing a haul. I have not done a haul in so long and I'm so excited to be doing this. I freaking love hauls. So disclaimer, all things that I'm showing you guys today are from Princess Polly. They did send me the stuff, but they're not paying me to make this video. So like everything I say is how I really feel. Like I'm not being paid to say good things. And even if I was being paid to say good things, I wouldn't. No matter if a video is sponsored or not sponsored, I'm going to be straight up and honest and be like, I don't like this, or I love this, or like, just throwing that out there. But we're not hiding that they sent me this stuff, but like, they're not paying me. Shout out to Princess Polly for sending me this stuff though. So I actually have a discount code for you guys as well, so like I'll put it right here. It's not an affiliate code. I don't make any money off of it. I feel like I've been like the queen of short intros recently, so let's get started. Should I show you guys the shoes first? So I've been on a hunt for booties. If you guys follow my dote, which should I make a dote and like have all this stuff like linked in it? Let me know. I have an entire folder on dote of just like booties, and I bought a pair of booties and they weren't what I thought it was, and this is the kind of booty that I wanted. I got some booties that were like to here. These are more my style. These are like really cute. They have like a index finger length heel and they're soft. I don't know why I'm doing that. Booties can dress up an outfit so quick. These, I actually got these, and the day I got these, I thought I broke my toe, and I was like, are you kidding me? I got the cutest pair of shoes, now I can't wear them because I have a freaking broken toe. I don't have a broken toe. I just sprained it. It was really bad. It's still blue. This happened like 2 weeks ago. They go up to like here-ish. I got another accessory. We'll just show you guys these. These are from Quay Australia, which is like the sunglasses brand. Love it. I have some friends that have very different opinions on this. I have a guy friend and he like put them on himself and he's like, what the heck is this? And then I put them on, he was like, oh, better. And then I have another friend at our philo, which is my sorority's like, it's an event you do to raise money for the charity that you have. That's what a philo is basically. And I was wearing this because it was really sunny, and my friend Taylor was like, why you look so bougie? And I was like, the sunglasses. I'm wearing leggings and a t-shirt with tennis shoes. You can see my light. Say hi. These are so cute. They're like are they ombre, or is that just the lighting? I think that's just the lighting, but they're so cute. Like I feel so like like a Kardashian. I feel like I own a Tesla or a Range Rover, or even both, when really I drive a Hyundai Elantra. I like how the edges are like gold. I got all this stuff online, so I wasn't sure like what size I would be or anything like that. And these, I was like, what if they look bad on my face? I have a crooked face. I don't know if you guys know that. Part of my face is more like up than the other part. So whenever I wear sunglasses, sometimes like the sunglasses are literally like, if they're supposed to be like this, they're kind of like that. There we go. I was afraid that would happen with these, but it didn't. My crooked face did not ruin these sunglasses. Okay, going on to clothes. I've been eyeing this bodysuit for a while now, and I'm really glad that I got it. I definitely think this is more of like a summertime thing, but I can still wear it in the winter and like put like a jacket over it and some jeans. It's just like this bodysuit. It has like these like thick sleeves. Are they sleeves? Straps. And it's like a boxy cut like neckline, and it has the little line things. I forgot what they're called, and I think this is really cute, and you could pair it with a lot of different things. This is basically the long sleeve version of what I'm wearing right now, kind of. This is a white, it's kind of see-through, so just like throwing that out there. I kind of bought this shirt like knowing I had this shirt, and I was like, oh, cute, same. And so it's like white. It has a boxier neckline too, and it has like a little tie like this one does, but it's long sleeve, and the sleeves are like poofy. You see the poofiness? They go poof, and it has like a little ruching at the bottom. That with like a pair of like high-waisted ripped skinny jeans and like some booties. Oh, I got some sweaters. If you don't know, I'm sweater obsessed. So this one, I love the color, and it's really soft. This is like, it reminds me of like the scrub colors that they wear in Grey's Anatomy, but like cuter. Wait, am I holding this right? I kind of forgot what this looks like on because I already tried it on. It's just like big, like it's just like a big, wide, like very comfy, like Christmas lounge by the fire with like your I was gonna say hot cocoa, hot chocolate, and I just really like how soft it is. I think it's really cute. You can dress it up or down. Another sweater. This one is green. It's like big. It's kind of like off the shoulder, like wide neckline, and then it's like big by like your armpit, so it's very loose and casual. Like you can eat a lot of food, and like no one will be able to know, and like you can have a food baby, but like will they know? No, you're still gonna look skinny. So I really like this one because yeah, it's soft. It's also soft. Okay, this one I wish I would have sized down, so if you're going to get this, I would recommend sizing down. This is my favorite color. It's like this baby, like kind of neutral pink. It is a cropped sweater, and the sleeves kind of flare out. Like the sleeves are decently heavy, which is like a weird thing to say about sleeves, but they're heavy. Big, like they're flared out. And it's also not like a very fitted crop top, so crop sweater. Bigger on you. That's this one. I don't know how else to describe it. I love the color. Wish I would have sized down, so pro tip, size down. If you guys know me, I'm not very edgy, as you can tell from my, oh wait, wrong way. My very pink background, you know, like the flirly white top. Like, I'm not edgy, but I saw this shirt and I was like, okay, we're gonna pretend to be edgy. So it is this like is this charcoal? It's like a little bit lighter than charcoal, and it says, honestly, I don't know what that says. Shrills, thrills. It says something with ills. Shrills, thrills. Don't know. I can't really read cool fonts, but this is like a really big loose baggy t-shirt, so it's like one of those shirts you can like dress up or down. Like, you can wear the pair of leggings and then like have it be like your sleep time shirt, or you can like tie it in a knot, or like put like a leather jacket or a jean jacket over it and like tuck it in maybe. Like, there's a lot of different things, ways you I have hair in my mouth. Lots of different ways you can style this, so I definitely like it. Oh, it does say thrills because it says right here that it says thrill. That's cute. But like, I just thought it was super edgy and cute and just something that you can style in a bunch of different ways. So I wanted to get like a basic shirt like this that was good for that. Going along with the edgy trend, I see people wear leather jackets all the time and I'm like, I am not edgy enough for that. And I saw this and it was so cute, so I wanted to step out of my comfort zone. Every single time I wear it, I'm like scared to wear it because it's very out of my comfort zone, very out of like my girly little white and pastel box, but it's so cute. A leather jacket, it's cropped, and then there's like a zip, which I don't really ever wear a zip, and then if you want to, you can do like the little cool belt thing that has around the waist. I don't ever do that. I normally just like wear it open, but like, it's really warm too. I wore it on a really cold by Arizona standards. It was like 50-40 degrees, but like this still kept me warm in 50-40 degrees with like no sun, so high wind. I think it's really cute. I definitely want to start wearing it more and getting more in my comfort zone. This with like the thrill shirt will be really cute. Oh my god, you guys, these pair of shorts I've been wanting since like before summer started, and I just never got them. They were like sold out, or I was poor. No, just kidding. I just never ended up getting them. They are these pair, I think they're all paperback shorts. They like cinch in at the waist, which I think is really, my waist is probably gonna be like this. Just kidding. Well, actually no, but they're really cute. They're like rolled up the end. I think they're just so cute, and like if you wear it with like the bodysuit, like a tight, so cute. I just have been seeing this on like so many people's like Instagram feeds and things like that, like these kind of like cinched in shorts, and I just wanted them so bad for so long. So happy to get them, and I'm obsessed. I haven't tried them on yet, actually. This is the one thing I haven't tried on yet out of like all these clothes. It's a little cold to be wearing these right now, but I definitely know that I'm gonna be wearing these so much in the winter time. Summertime. Summer actually starts like really early. Summer starts in like March for us, so catch me wearing these in March. The last thing I got is also a denim item, and I got a denim jacket. So I have never had a denim jacket. I don't know why I'm so late to the bandwagon. This wasn't like the typical denim jacket. Like, you know, the denim jacket, like typical one is like kind of fitted and like it's either cropped or like goes like to your waist. Like, you know, this is like a really big oversized denim jacket. If you don't want an oversized one, they have another one on their website that I almost bought. Go for that one. If you don't want a super loose one, this is a light wash denim jacket with like little rips in it. This is like so big and loose, and it's very warm, and the best thing about, is there stuff in the pocket? They have like these inside pockets, and I have been putting stuff in them recently. Like, I will wear a scrunchie was in it. Well, on the inside there's basically like these pockets, and I have been wearing this just so I could put stuff in the pocket. Like, I want to put like snacks in the pocket, like a snack pocket. I like this jacket mainly for the pockets, but it's also like super big. Kind of reminds me of like I'm on Friends or something, or even like Princess Diaries when like her mom is like doing the paint splatter wall thing. Like, was she wearing a denim jacket? I don't know why, but I feel like in Princess Diaries, and I'm Mia Thermopolis' mom paint splattering. Should I put it on? Oh, cute outfit. Cute fit, girl. Okay, well, that was my haul. That's everything I got from Princess Polly. Definitely check out their website if you liked any of this stuff. I think some of these things will actually make like really good Christmas presents for people. But thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!